Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will see the projection of lines. Based on the position of the lines, we will see how the projection of the lines is drawn. So first we will see the introduction about the projection of lines. A straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. We know that a straight line is the shortest distance between these 2 points. When top views of two endpoints of a straight line when joined, it gives us the top view of that straight line. Similarly, when front views of the two endpoints of a straight line are joined, it will give us the front view of the straight line. So, both the projections, the front view and the top view, will be the straight lines. Clear? Now we will move towards the notations that we use during the projection of lines. So, true length of the line, that is the actual length that is given in the problem. So, it is denoted by the capital letters, that is, for example, capital AB. AB is the true length of the line, which is 100 mm. This is nothing but the true length of the line. Okay. Actual line is given, that line can be noted as true length of the line, and it can be denoted by the capital letters. Now when we will give the front view length, while drawing the front view of this true length line, it is denoted by the small letters, that is A dash B dash. So front view of the respective line is denoted by A dash B dash. So front view will be 70 mm. This means that front view length is 70 mm. Now the top view length, it is denoted by small letters without any apostrophes in it. Okay, that is simply small letters AB. So 80 mm. This means that the top view length is 80 mm. Now every time the line will not be parallel or resting on the plane. It may be inclined to any of the planes or both the planes. So, inclination of the true length of line with HP. When the true length of line is inclined to HP, the angle is denoted by theta. That is inclination of line with horizontal plane, or we can say as the ground. For example, the angle is 30 degrees. That means theta is 30. That is, line is inclined with HP at an angle 30 degree. Similarly, when inclination of this true line is with respect to VP, the angle is denoted as phi. For example, the angle is 40. So the angle made by the line with the VP will be 40. Okay. Similarly, inclination of the front view length with XY. Now we have seen with respect to the planes. Now we will see with respect to the XY line that we draw, which divide the planes into VP and HP. So that angle is denoted by alpha. For example, if the angle of the true length of line with the XY is 50, then alpha will be 50 degrees. Similarly, when inclination of the top view length with XY is given, then when top view length is inclined with XY, the angle is known as beta. And if the angle is 30, the angle beta will be 30 degrees. And what is end projector distance? It is the distance between two projectors which are passing through endpoints of the front view and top view. Okay, and which measures parallel to the XY line. So these are the notations that are important to study before moving towards the projection of lines. Now we will see the basic cases of projection of lines. So first is either the line will be parallel to both planes. This is the first one. Or it may be perpendicular to the third plane. Or it may be on the plane. Okay. The second case is line inclined to one plane and parallel to the other plane. And the third case is line inclined to both the planes. So we will see these cases one by one. So first case is the line is parallel to both planes and perpendicular to the third plane. Now up till now we have seen the two basic planes, but in engineering graphics there are basic three principal planes. We know the vertical plane. This is the vertical plane in green color. We know the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane. But there comes the third plane. So this is the third plane, which is the profile plane, which is called as PP. We know VP, we know HP. Now the position of PP is like this. You can see in this image. Okay. So first the line is parallel to HP. Now see, this line AB is the true length of the line. Okay. This is parallel to HP and VP. Okay. So now we have to draw the projections of this line AB. So first what we do, we draw the line XY, right? Now above this XY, as this line is in first quadrant, the VP will be above the XY and HV will be below the XY. So if we see in this direction, the front view of this line AB will be seen in the VP. So A dash, B dash will be the front view. And if we see from the top, we will see the top view in HP. So top view will be a straight line. So AB is the top view. Now the perpendicular to PP. Now this line is parallel to HP and VP, but it is perpendicular to this PP. So the side view will be, now if you see from here, we will see this line as a single point. So we will take the projections of front view by drawing a faint line, and we will take the projections of top view here by keeping the compass here and taking this distance equal to this. We will draw an arc here. After drawing an arc, we will draw a straight line. So this point will be the side view of the line. Clear about the first position? Now we will move toward the second position. Before that, we will see various cases again. Now here we will see, in first image we will see line parallel to one or both the planes. Now in this we have only two planes. This is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. So first image is the line is parallel to one or both the planes. It is parallel to both. So if we see from front view will be straight line. हे इन्क्लिनेशन आपल्याला फ्रंट व्ह्यू मध्ये दिसणार नाही, आपल्याला ते स्ट्रेट लाईनच दिसेल. सो फ्रंट व्यू विल बी A dash B dash. Okay, in this image you can see. Now if you look from top view, you will see an inclination similar to this. So the top view will be an inclined line. So AB will be the top view of the first image. Now in the second, you can see the CD line is parallel to both the planes, horizontal and vertical. So if you see from front, you can see the line CD, which is inclined at an angle something to vertical plane. So inclination can be seen in the vertical plane. So front view कसा असणार? असे inclined. C dash D dash will represent the front view of the line CD. Now if we look from top view, whether we will see the inclination or we will see the line straight. जर वरून बघितलं तर आपल्याला inclination दिसेल का? नाही दिसणार, because it is not inclined at an angle with the horizontal plane. So आपल्याला inclination दिसणार नाही top view मध्ये. So we will see a straight line, that is CD, which will represent the top view of this line, capital C and D. Third image मध्ये काय आहे? Straight line आहे. It is not inclined to any of the plane. There is a straight line EF. So front view and top view will be straight line. So front view काय येणार A dash F dash, top view काय येणार EF. As all the lines are in the first quadrant, the front view will be above the XY line and top view will be below the XY line. Clear? Now in second image we can see the lines are on the plane. Okay, so first line, that is AB, is on the horizontal plane. So if you see from side, if you see from front, if you see from front, we will see the projections, we will see the front view on the XY line because it is on the HP. So front view काय येणार on the XY line, A dash B dash will be the front view, and top view काय येणार AB, हा top view येणार. Clear? Similarly, line CD is in VP. So if we see the front view, we will get the front view as this, C dash D dash. But if you see the top view will be on the XY. So it will be CD. See, this is CD. This is the top view of the line CD. Okay. And the third line is on the XY line. Okay. So top view and front view will be seen on the XY line itself. Front view का येणार E dash F dash, top view का येणार EF. This both the views will be on the XY, as the line is not on the plane, it is on the XY line. Okay, clear? Now we will see, we have seen this line is parallel to any one of the plane. So AB is parallel. So what, these are the projections of the lines. Okay, go through it, you will understand, as I have explained you the projection of the lines when the lines are parallel. This is a similar example. Now here the line are perpendicular to one of the planes. Now see, here AB line, you can see it is parallel to VP, but it is perpendicular to HP. So what will be the front view? Front view will be the straight line A dash B dash. Okay, and top view will be a single point A. Okay, now we will move toward the next line, CD. This CD line is parallel to HP, but it is perpendicular to VP. So what will be the front view? Front view will be a point, that is D dash. And what will be the top view? It will be a line, that is CD. Okay. Now we will see the next position, that is parallel to one plane and inclined to the another. Okay. So here, for example, this is a true length of a line. AB is a true line. So this AB is inclined to HP at an angle theta, and it is parallel to VP. The condition is the line AB is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So front view का येणार, the line inclined by an angle theta to the reference line. So कुठली तरी reference line असेल, त्या reference line ला तो angle theta करतोय, त्याचा front view येणार असा A dash B dash. and top view काय येणार, parallel line to the reference line, because inclination is can't be seen. Okay, because it is inclined at an horizontal plane, inclined to horizontal plane. So the angle inclination can be seen in the front view, and top view will be a straight line. Clear? See, line inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Similar condition है, but example for your understanding, अजून एक example घेतले. So see, this, there are two lines, PQ dash. Okay, so this PQ dash is inclined at an angle theta with the horizontal. So inclination एका reference line ला ते theta angle करते हैं, आणि त्याचे inclination top view मध्ये दिसेल. Like P dash Q dash will be the top view which is inclined at an angle theta with the reference line. Okay. And front view काढणार front view काढला so top view काय येणार straight line येणार PQ1. Okay, this is the line inclined to the HP and parallel to the VP. Projection of the line when the line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. Now we will see the line parallel to HP and inclined to VP. So this line RS1 is parallel to HP, but it is inclined an angle phi with the VP. So first we will draw the top view because it is making an angle theta. Angle कुठे दिसणार आपल्याला when line is parallel to HP and inclined to VP. Inclination कुठे दिसेल top view मध्ये दिसेल. So first we will draw the top view. This will be the top view. RS1, and then we will draw the front view. Front view will be a straight line. Okay. Now we will see if the line is inclined to both the planes. Okay. Here line AB is inclined to HP. Okay. And it is parallel to VP and making an angle beta. Alpha and beta are the angle. Okay. So front view काय येणार A dash B dash. But angle काय असेल line inclined by alpha to the reference line. See. आता इथं कुठला येणार बीटा येणार टॉप व्ह्यू मध्ये. हा अँगल किती येणार अँगल विथ दी हॉरिझॉन्टल अल्फा and angle with the vertical angle with the vertical plane is alpha and angle with the horizontal plane is beta. So front view will be line inclined by the alpha to the reference line and top view will be line inclined by the beta to the reference line. Okay. So we have seen the basic concepts. Before teaching I have just share you some YouTube videos in which you can easily understand in the 3D form. So I hope you have understood the actual concepts of the projection of lines. Now we will see basic problems, right? So first problem is a line PJ. It is 50 mm long. The length of the line is 50 mm. It is perpendicular to HP. Okay, it is perpendicular to HP and is below the HP. Now if it is below the HP, either it will be in third quadrant or fourth quadrant, right? And the point P is on HP and it is 30 mm behind the VP. So it is behind the VP and below the HP. Means the line is in third quadrant. See, this is the third quadrant. Okay. This line is 50 mm in length. It is 30 mm behind the VP. Okay, and the point P is below the HP, on the HP. Okay, so draw the projections of the line PJ. So if we see from here, the front view will be in the below the XY because it is in third quadrant. The front view will be below the XY line and top view will be above the XY line. So front view will be below the XY line. मग हे डिस्टन्स किती असणार XY line पासून येणार because the point is on the HP. So from here to here P dash J dash will be the front view and distance will be 50. Now if we see from top, we will see a point on the horizontal plane and that point will be above the XY line. Top view above the XY line येणार because the line is in the third quadrant. So हे distance किती असणार 30. So the point PJ or the top view PJ will be as seen. So this will be the projection of the line PJ. Now we will see the second problem. A line MG, it is 35 mm long, is perpendicular to the profile plane. Okay, the third plane. It is perpendicular to profile plane. The end M is 20 mm below the HP. 20 mm below the HP and 30 mm behind the VP. So this is in third quadrant. So draw the projections on HP and VP. Okay, so as it is in third quadrant, the top view will be in above the XY line and front view will be below the XY. So if we see front view will be a straight line at a distance 20 mm from the XY line. So XY लाईनच्या 20 meters 20 mm distance वरती घेऊन J dash M dash हे front view मिळेल below the XY line. And top view किती मिळेल? At a distance XY, at a distance 30, right? This is 30. At a distance 30 from the XY. मैं XY पासून 30 distance घ्यायचा आणि JM of a length 35 cm JM top view आहे. Clear about